This video is to show you how to install a door on a Bosch dishwasher. It's a panel. You're supposed to get a template. Make sure it's in the middle, up and down, side to side, and then tape it on top with the tape, and then make sure you stretch it out and then tape it back, and then you follow these screws to drill one there and then one there, and then on the other side the same thing. Drill it with a 16-inch drill, and then don't go deeper than about 3/8 for my door. And then if you have this rubber apron, then you need to install these plastic brackets right there, and then this bracket on top right here. This is how it's gonna look. And then don't forget, this should be the back, and then whatever handle you want to drill before you install it. All right.